Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Tim Moya. Right now I have Subaru Forester. This vehicle has a problem with check engine. Let me start the vehicle. So we have misfire, then rough idling. Another thing, check engine on the dashboard. To use my thinker, we have mass air Forester circuit. So let me try to clear the fault code. I'm going to clear the fault code. Yeah, if you cannot clear the fault code, okay. Are you sure you want to clear the fault code from the system? The cleared fault code normal is completed. Okay, let me read again. The current, we still have history, we still have. So when you clear the fault code, see the check engine is still on the dashboard. So meaning the main fault code here is the mass airflow sensor. So I'm going to confirm the app, the ignition, then we have 5 reference from the ECU. I think there are 2 wires. So this is the mass airflow sensor. I'm going to make sure if we have 1 ignition, then earth, then 2 reference, and an open circuit. So you need to make sure the ignition is on. So let's go and confirm. Need to put the tester on earth. So we have ignition. This is the yellow wire. That one has ignition. The yellow is to green. See? So another thing is earth. So we have earth, then we have 2 reference, 1, 2, meaning it's okay. So I have a cap of it. Then we have the mass airflow sensor. Let's try this one. Right now I have changed new mass airflow sensor. I'm going to clear the fault code from the system. So I'm going to clear that fault code from the system. So let me put ignition off. Let me put ignition on. Imagine the main problem was mass airflow sensor. You see there's no any check engine on the dashboard. The engine is smooth. See? So the main fault code was mass airflow sensor. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.